Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this Citroen C5 Aircross. It's the 2-litre diesel, which will be in the same engines as, I don't know, in the vans and other model cars. We've got P0238 and P0098. I'll show you exactly where they are and what you need to do. It's diesel, so what do you expect? Things happen. Personal opinion would be to check. There's a few ways around it. Before you start stripping things and doing things, you can do a smoke test, which doesn't cost a lot. Most garages would do it. Smoke there, make sure that there isn't any boost leak, unless you can hear it. Let someone rev it and see if there is any leak or smoke. If there is, you've got a pipe that's burst, in other words. Change it, move on. If you're still having trouble, that hasn't worked, personal advice would be, so that fault code is mainly to do with this sensor here. If I can get the part number up there. But it's not always that. It could be different scenario for you. It could be a different situation. Before you start buying sensors, take that off. It's only size 8 or 10 bolt, I don't know. Take it off, clean it with a special electrical sprayer, and then put it back and reset the adaptation with a diagnostic machine and see if that works. If that doesn't, then it could be the sensor faulty. But then again, another option. Here is the throttle, okay? In there is like valve, here in there is a valve. It could be clogged up. So reality would be you can take it all off. It's really handy, to be fair. It's not hard to work on. So the throttle body's here. Take it off, clean it again, try and see if that works. If it does, good. But reality is it mainly 80% of the time it goes back to this sensor right here, guys. So get original OEM, put it in, do a full scan and clear, and that should hopefully eliminate it. But that's where you are, and that's where it is, guys. So that fault code is to do with that there. As you can see, no more warning, to do with that.